Rahul walked into a restaurant after a stressful day at work and ordered for a special meal. As he was waiting for his order, a group of college students walked in and placed their order too. To Rahul's dismay, these folks got served first, and he watched as they began to eat and laugh heartily. He even overheard one of the boys in the group brag about how connected he was to everyone in the restaurant, and Rahul felt angry and insulted. Unable to take it anymore, he got up to leave. The waiter then calmed him down. "Please wait, sir. They are served first because theirs was prepared by the trainee chefs in a hurry, as the top chefs are busy with yours. Yours is a special order and is being prepared by the chief chef himself." Shortly after, his meal arrived, served by 6 waiters. The owner of the restaurant happened to be an old, long-lost friend who saw Rahul as he entered and decided to surprise him. His meal was treated as a special order. Such is life. Some people may be ahead of you, eating, laughing, and appear smarter, wiser, and enjoying life, while you endure mockery, humiliation, and keep waiting and wondering why a breakthrough in your life takes so long. Do not be dismayed. Your long wait is only because it is a special meal. It takes time to prepare, and only chief chefs prepare them. So relax. Don't run ahead impatiently. Do not allow your soul to be tossed back and forth while you anxiously await an answer. Use this time of waiting to grow in your understanding of God. His answer is really worth the wait. He works while you wait. Jesus said, "Seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well."